So finally, the is one of the very anticipated purchase which I made. I was waiting for long, and this is the. I will not tell you what it is. Of course, you can read from the title, but I'm really excited. And Nara will say, "Yeah, you are always excited when you buy." But yes, actually, this speaker is one of the best. Is the we cannot have better than this. So I'm really happy that I bought it. So this I say for sure. Okay, so I think it should open from here. Let me see. Yeah, it can open from here. So I should open here as well. Now this speaker is 3.5, and it will be wrong to say speaker because is much more than a speaker, but yes, so this is the Alexa Studio, and I could have bought it for a little better price, but my behavior made me buy a bit more expensive, but it's okay, it's still better price, and I bought it under the Prime Day offer, so of course it's totally sealed and very heavy. So I think I need to do some mess. I need to remove. So this is the something which came, and this is really heavy. It's really heavy. Heavy word is smaller, I feel sometimes. So now I think it will open like this. Yes, and this has very beautiful cases. I saw many unboxing videos. So here is the speaker, and I think is this package is very much the size, so we need to be little bit careful to remove it. So let me see. Okay, so finally you can see this is the Amazon logo, the branding, and this is the speaker, and it's very heavy, very heavy. Now regarding about other things, so it has nothing else, it has only this cable. So I need to do more testing, but from closer you can see it has a lot of microphone here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and then here is subwoofer, and also this is what came, right? So thank you so much. I will make another video with the details and all. Thank you.